Cardano cost especially equivalent to $0.4333 a coin in an especially significant manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.4328 0.4518, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. The earlier day close, 0.4518. The change sort of was 0.0185, 4.09%, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Backwards rate, USD to ADA in a fundamentally enormous way. Cardano value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they certainly thought. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.45, sort of greatest 0.48, beautiful least 0.42 in an all things considered, huge way. Cardano gauge on Wednesday, April 19, cost $0.46, sort of greatest 0.49, sort of least 0.43, which for the most part shows that especially backwards rate, USD to ADA, which essentially is genuinely huge. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, April 20, cost $0.47, most extreme 0.50, fundamentally least 0.44 in a truly significant way. Cardano conjecture on Friday, April 21, cost $0.49, genuinely greatest 0.52, truly least 0.46 in a significant way. In multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $0.49, beautiful greatest 0.52, truly least 0.46, which truly is genuinely huge. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.50, lovely most extreme 0.54, especially least 0.47, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.51, truly greatest 0.55, kind of least 0.47, which most certainly is very critical. Cardano figure on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.52, in every practical sense, greatest 0.56, especially least 0.48, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $0.52, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.56, really least 0.48, which by and large is very huge. In about 14 days Cardano conjecture on Monday, May 1, cost $0.52, greatest 0.56, certainly least 0.48 and in every way that really matters, huge way. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.51, sort of greatest 0.55, sort of least 0.47, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.51, truly greatest 0.55, extremely least 0.47, so today, exchange cost range, 0.4328 0.4518. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.52, beautiful most extreme 0.56, truly least 0.48, which is genuinely huge. Cardano estimate on Friday, May 5, cost $0.52, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.56, exceptionally least 0.48 in a sort of significant manner. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $0.51, truly most extreme 0.55, in every practical sense, least 0.47 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano figure on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.50, by and large greatest 0.54, really least 0.47 in a very significant way. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.53, really most extreme 0.57, especially least 0.49, which essentially is genuinely huge. Cardano figure on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.52, for the most part greatest 0.56, fundamentally least 0.48, or so they basically thought. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $0.54, kind of most extreme 0.58, especially least 0.50. In about a month Cardano figure on Monday, May 15, cost $0.57, certainly most extreme 0.61, especially least 0.53 in a very significant way. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.55, lovely greatest 0.59, essentially least 0.51 in a sort of significant manner. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.56, really greatest 0.60, especially least 0.52 in a very huge way. USD to ADA conversion scale pretty equivalent to 2.3079 coins per $1, which explicitly shows that Cardano cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost $0.52, certainly most extreme 0.56, essentially least 0.48 in a truly significant way. Today, S-reach 2.2134-2.3105, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The past day, S-nearby 2.2134, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Change for now plus 0.0945, plus 4.27%, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. USD to ADA cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Tuesday, April 18, cost 2.222 coins, by and large most extreme 2.381, truly least 2.083, in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to ADA forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost 2.174 coins, lovely greatest 2.326, genuinely least 2.041 in a truly significant way. Dollar to Cardano figure on Thursday, April 20, cost 2.128 coins, fundamentally most extreme 2.273, especially least 2.000, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. USD to ADA expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 2.000 coins, in every way that really matters, greatest 2.128, genuinely least 1.852 in a sort of large manner. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Wednesday, April 26, cost 1.961 coins, by and large most extreme 2.128, exceptionally least 1.818 in a very huge way. USD to ADA expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost 1.923 coins, truly most extreme 2.083, genuinely least 1.786, which by and large is very huge. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Friday, April 28, cost 1.923 coins, kind of most extreme 2.083, beautiful least 1.786 in an essentially significant way. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost 1.961 coins, sort of greatest 2.128, especially least 1.818, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. USD to ADA expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost 1.961 coins, kind of most extreme 2.128, sort of least 1.818, showing how change for now plus 0.0945, plus 4.27%. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Thursday, May 4, cost 1.923 coins, greatest 2.083, kind of least 1.786 in a kind of significant manner. USD to ADA expectation on Friday, May 5, cost 1.923 coins, really greatest 2.083, especially least 1.786. So the earlier day close 0.4518, in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to ADA forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost 2.000 coins, essentially greatest 2.128, genuinely least 1.852 in a for the most part significant manner. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost 1.887 coins, sort of most extreme 2.04